If you are watching this video, that means I've accomplished what I've always wanted to accomplish, and I have found success in my dreams. Whenever you tell people your dreams, they always tell you, oh, that's not gonna work out, that's not gonna happen, you can't follow your dreams, you can't. And why do you think that is? It's because those people have not followed their dreams. They had a dream once. They wanted to be something, they wanted to do something, but they did not follow through. They did not work hard enough, and they are living a life that they don't want to live, and they're not doing anything about it. And you don't have to be in their position. You can be in the position that you want to be just if you follow your dreams. So tell me, why should you take advice from people who have never accomplished what they wanted to accomplish when you can take advice from somebody that accomplished what they've always wanted to accomplish, and that is me? Because if you are seeing this video, if this video did go viral, that means I've done my job. That means I've achieved what I've always wanted to achieve. I've been doing this for 11 years. I've been doing this for 11 years, and I've never ever heard somebody say, oh, you're going to do it, you're going to make it, you're going to achieve what you want to achieve. Outside of one person, and that one person is myself. I'm the one that has always been telling myself, you are going to do it. You are going to achieve it. You are going to fulfill your dreams. You are going to be what you want to be. You are going to live the life that you want to live. Because I believe in myself. And it doesn't matter if nobody else believes in you. It does not matter. Don't give a single fuck. Don't give a single fuck. If you want to achieve something, go do it. And if there's only one person that believes in you, it's going to work out. And that one person is you. If you truly 100% believe in yourself and you truly put in 100% of the work, you are not going to fail. You are not going to, there's no way. In the physics, quantum physics, there's not a single possible way. There's not a single universe where you won't make it. There's not a single universe where you're not going to fulfill your dreams. So go do it. Go do it. Stop wasting time and go do it right now. Because if you are watching this video right now, that means I've done it. Take advice from me. Take advice from somebody that has done what they wanted to do, instead of somebody that did not do what they wanted to do and just gave up on life and they're living a life that they don't want to do. Stop giving a fuck about everybody else other than yourself. Be selfish. Don't do stuff for others. And I don't mean it in a way where, oh, stop giving money to charity. No, I don't mean it in a way. I mean, stop giving a fuck. When somebody tells you you can't do something, instead of telling yourself, they're probably right. They're probably right. Do what I do. And that is, make sure they're wrong. Make sure you prove them wrong. Make sure you prove yourself right. And if there are people who believe in you, and there are people who tell you, yeah, you're going to achieve it, make sure you prove them right. Make sure you prove them right and you don't prove those people wrong. Because if there are people who believe in you, which I don't have around me, but if there are people who believe in you around you, prove them right. Prove them right. Have something to fight for. If you have something to fight for, you have to fight for that. Be in the spot where you want to be and don't give up on your dreams. Never. Never. Even if it takes so much time. Again, as I'm talking right now, it took me 11 years. 11 years to get here. And when I'm recording this video, I don't know that it went viral. I don't know if it did. But there's something inside of my mind. There's something inside of me that has been telling me for such a long time, if you put 100% into something, you are going to achieve it. And there's something right now. It's in my fingertips. I feel it. When you feel it, you know you're close to it. And I know I'm this close. I'm this close. I'm one step away from achieving it. I know it. So go do it right now. Stop wasting your time. Stop procrastinating. I have a video on procrastinating. And there's only one thing you can do about procrastination. There's no hack. You just have to go do it. There's no easier way. So please, go do it. Stop wasting your time. And make sure you're the hardest motherfucker that has ever lived. See you in the next video. Peace.